Hi, welcome everyone. Now in this tutorial, let's see how to implement multi-level submenus with hovering effect on our Bootstrap menu. Now first of all, let's check it out our menu structure. Let's go to main menu. Now here is our main menu. And I've created a multi-level menu here as you can see. Your services, service 1, service 2. And under service 1, you have service 1.1 and 1.2, right? And each parent menu, I've created a page link to it as well. Let's check it out. Services. So you will link to a page, Node 2. Now back to our front page. Now you can see by design, the default Bootstrap menu has some limitations here. One, there's no drop-down menu on hover. So all the time you need to click, right? And second, you can't go to the parents page even there's a page linking to it. Like services, we actually link to Node 2. It links to a page. Now third, it doesn't allow multi-level menu. As you can see, we also have some sub-menu under service 1, right? So we'll implement a solution shared by Christina on WebMall and see how this can be resolved beautifully using the Smartmenus jQuery plugin. Let's check it out the final works. Now you can see here, once you have implemented this solution, on hover, you can see a drop-down menu. And also, you can see multiple level menus supported, right? And you also can click on the parents menu as well. So let's resize the browser. Click on the navbar button. Good. So if you click this, you can open it. You can even open multiple level, alright? So you can close it, you can close it. If I click from here, the first click, it will open up a submenu. On the second click, it's actually linked to the parents page, right? So if we open from here again, we open from here, same with our service 1, we notice there's a link here. It's actually linking to a page. For the first click, it will open up to show a submenu. On the second click, it's actually linking to service 1, its own page, right? So kind of cool, right? So you are ready, let's get started. Now, before we start implementing this, make sure you have created some menu and submenu. Go to our main menu again. You can create a multi-level menu structure like what I did here and provide a link to the parent menu this time, right? So you have two parents menu actually. One is services, another is service 1. This is the parent to service 1.1 and 1.2, whereas this services is actually a parent to service 1 and service 2. So let's click on one of parent menu again. Now for parent menu, in order to show the drop-down menu, you must make sure the parent menu has this show as expanded option check, alright? Else the submenu won't show whether you implement or not this solution. Now this is one of the common mistakes that many has overlooked and be wondering why their drop-down or submenu not showing. So for every parent menu, remember to check this show as expanded. Let's go back to the main menu. Same as this, service 1 is a parent menu of these two menus. So if you add it, I have a note link to this and I have also checked show as expanded, right? Okay, last gender reminder. I suggest you test this on a new copy of Drupal by following my 2 previous videos using a Bootstrap theme before you implement this to your live site or existing site. Now this is to reduce the errors or problems that may be caused by any of your contributed modules or settings. Once it works on your Bootstrap theme, you can then implement to your live site or existing site. Okay, if you have created your menu, let's get started. Now first of all, let's go to the website to find the instruction. We'll go to the front page first, get it ready, go to the website. Now you can read through all this to get a better understanding of the current limitation of Bootstrap menu and the solution proposed. We'll scroll down. Here is the instruction. Basically, it takes only 2 steps. One is to include the Smartmenus plugin And second, overriding the Bootstrap menu links function. Alright, so let's start with step 1. It says here, add required files. Here we need to download the Smartmenu plugin for our Bootstrap. So let's click on this downloading link to download the file. Now let's scroll down. You can click on this download button to download the file. And I have downloaded the file, so please do the same. Now back to the website and see what are the files we need and how to add these files. So you can see here, this is an .info file. There are 3 files here we need to include. One is the CSS file, and another 2 here down below are the JavaScript files. So let's copy the code here and paste it to our .info file. Now I will first copy this, open our text editor, go to Sites, or Themes, Bootstrap Sub Theme, and look for this Bootstrap Sub Theme .info. Let's add this line before the style.css. I'll paste it here. And let's remove this link. Alright, great. Now back to the website and copy the JavaScript file. Let's copy the JavaScript files here. Include the comment as well. Back to our text editor. Now I paste it down below here. Okay, let's remove the last link here, see more, and clean it up. Okay, great. So we have included one CSS file and the other 2 are JavaScript files. Good. Now let's go to our Drupal folder and place our Smartmenu plugin correctly. Let's save this file first. Save it. Okay. Now go to the Drupal folder. Let's go to Sites, or Themes, Bootstrap Sub Theme. So I have unzipped the folder here. Let's go in. There's one more folder with the same name. Go in again. So you have all these files and folders. Now what we need is these add-ons. So we'll copy this folder and back to our Bootstrap Sub Theme folder. Paste it over here. There's one more file we need. Let's go in again. That is jQuery.smartmenu. We need this file. Let's copy this and go back to our sub theme folder here and paste it here at the root directory. Alright, so we can remove the whole folder. So we have add-ons as well as jQuery.smartmenu JavaScript, right? That's great. Now let's proceed to the second steps. Back to the website again. Scroll down. Now for second steps here, basically you need to copy this menu link function file from a base theme to your sub theme and override it with the code below. I think there's an easier way to do so because we can actually just override it in our template.php file. So what you need to do is pretty simple. We'll just copy the code below here, right? Now let's copy all these codes. Scroll down. I'll start from the comment here. Override theme menu link down below. Make sure you copy everything here correctly. So we copied it and back to our text editor. Now this time we need to open template.php, right? We can override the menu link here. So we can paste it here. Let's remove the last link here, or maybe we just cut it. And we can put under here the comment. It's also good to place it here so that you can refer to next time if needed. Now let's change this your Bootstrap sub theme name, change it to our sub theme name. Change it to Bootstrap sub theme. If yours is using other name for your sub theme, please change it to your own sub theme name. Alright. Now that's all. We save it. Okay, let's remove this one as well. Save it. That's all. Let's go to our Drupal site. Flush the cache. Now let's hover the menu with submenu. Great. It works. So even at third level, it shows as well. Alright. And if you click on this parent menu, it's actually linked to parent menus page. Right? But we need a caret. What we call the arrow. It's not here. We need to get it out. Alright. Back to our text editor. And back to our template.php file. Scroll down. Now down below around line 23. Let's uncomment this. Now this line will actually add a caret arrow to the menu that has submenu. Comment the last line as well. It's saying actually Smartmenus plugin adds this caret, but it doesn't seem Smartmenu doing so. So we turn this on to ensure Drupal add the errors for us. Alright. So I'll save it. Back to our Drupal site. Refresh the page. Good. Now you can see a caret appear. Check it out. Great. Let's resize the browser. Click on this button, left bar button. Yes. So we have a plus here, icon. We can close it as well. Good. So on mobile, for the first click, we'll open it if you click on here. Second click, it will link to the parent menus page. Right? To go to services. However, if you click here, of course, it will just open and close, nothing else. It's the same with service as well. If I first click, I'll open this one, submenu. Second click, it will link to a parent's menu page. Service 1. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Do subscribe to our channel for more sharing to come.